So students, this is the answer for today's question. So this is the question. So this is the question. Create a class with the following member variables and member functions. The class name is student. Member variables string name. To store the name of student int age. To store age of student int m1. To store mark of subject 1 int m2. To store mark of subject 2 int m3. To store mark of subject 3. Then member functions void input to accept name, age, m1, m2, m3 of the student using scanner class. Then void calculate to calculate the total mark based on the following criteria and evaluate the grade also. So this is the criteria. Total mark grade. That is, if total mark greater than 250, then grade will be A grade. If total mark greater than or equal to 200 and less than 250, grade will be B. If total mark greater than or equal to 100 and less than 200, grade will be C. Less than 100, grade is fail. The next function void print. To print name, age, total mark and grade of the student. So these are the functions to be created. Create an object of the class and invoke the member functions of that class. So this is your question. So here is the answer. Import java.util.scanner, then class student, open brace, string name, int age, int m1, m2, m3. So next thing is, these things are not given in your member variable section. This thing you have to add by reading question, that is int total mark, then string grade. Since we are declaring the last grade as fail, so we are declaring here it as string. Okay, then void input, open brace, system.out.println, enter name of the student, name equal se dot next line of, then system.out.println, enter the age equal se dot nest int of, then system.out.println, enter mark for 3 subjects, that is m1 equal se dot nest int of, m2 equal se dot nest int of, m3 equal se dot nest int of. So you can give these 3 marks separately also, that is by giving separate printing statement, that is system.out.println, enter mark for subject 1, and after that give m1 equal se dot nest int of, then again a printing message system.out.println, enter mark for subject 2, m2 equal se dot nest int of, then system.out.println, enter mark for third subject, m3 equal se dot nest int of. So you can give like that also, both are right. Then close it. Only these things you have to accept through keyboard. Then void calculate of. So in that calculate section, they have mentioned that to calculate the total mark, that is total mark equal, since there are only 3 subjects, that is m1 plus m2 plus m3. So there is a criteria, that is if total mark greater than or equal to 250, then what is the grade? Grade equal A grade. Else the next criteria, if total mark greater than or equal to 200 and total mark less than 250, then grade will be B. Else if total mark greater than or equal to 100 and total mark less than 200, then grade equal C. Else grade equal fail. So we have calculated all the things. Then the next one is print function, that is void print of. So inside that, system.out.println, name of the student, name, age of the student, age, like that, total mark and grade are printed. System.out.println, total mark equal total mark, system.out.println, grade equal plus grade. So then the functions are written. After that we want to call our main function, that is here we have declared our scanner class, scanner as equal new scanner or system.in. So you can use the scanner class or the print function also, both are right. Then by using an object, we are going to invoke all our member functions, that is student s equal new student of. Then after that by using the object s dot input of, then we are going to our input function, then s dot calculate of, finally s dot print of. After that, close the main function and close the class. So students, for this program you have to write the comments and you have to write the data description also. Both are compulsory for your exam. I hope it's clear for you. Thank you.